Now this is class third C. Class third C, GSC, and date is 21/12/2020. So we are studying worksheet lesson 10 measurement. Lesson 10 measurement. Lesson 10 measurement, and here we are solving worksheet 10. Worksheet 10. In this worksheet 10 we are going to solve the match the following. Match the following. C. Match the following. C. Match the following. And this match the following. First, fruits and vegetables are measured in. First, you see the first. Fruits and vegetables are measured in C. Kilogram. So first, you have to write in front of first C. We can write the complete first. Fruits and vegetables are measured in which will be correct in front of hour, minutes and second, B degree, C kilogram, D liter, and E kilometer. So here which will be correct? Kilograms. So here C kilograms will be correct option. So first, in front of first, you have to write the C, that is the kilogram. Now next, milk and petrol are measured in. Second, milk and petrol are milk and petrol are measured in. So which will be correct? Now see D, liter. D D and third, distance from Delhi to Mumbai is measured in. Distance from Mumbai to Delhi is measured in distance from Delhi to Mumbai is measured in which unit? That is kilometer, that is E. Kilometers. And fourth, temperature is measured in. Temperature is measured in degree, B. That is B. Degree. Temperature is measured in degree. And fifth, that is time is measured in hours, that is A. Hours, minutes and second. So these are, so you can write these things. It may be written in a such way. It may be written in a such way as this is first fruits and vegetables are measured in kilograms. So first to the C, and second milk and the petrol are measured in liters, so that is D, second D, and third distance from Delhi to Mumbai is measured in, that is kilometers, that is E. This is E. And fourth, temperature is measured in degree, so that is the B. And fifth, this time is measured in hours, minutes and seconds. So here you have to write about the A. So in this way you can complete the match the following. Now next, D. Define the following. Next one, define the following. D. Define the following. Now D. Define the following. Number one is length. So what do you mean by length? Length is the size of Length is the size of length is the size of something, size of something from something from one end to the other, from something from one end to other. So in relation to the length, or length measures how long something is. Length means how long something is. Now next, mass. Second one is mass. Mass is the amount of matter mass is the amount of matter in an object. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Now next third. So mass is the amount of matter in an object. Now third, we can write the third. Now third, capacity. Third one, capacity. Third, capacity. The amount, capacity means the amount that a container the amount that a container can hold is called the capacity of that container. So the amount that a container can hold is called the capacity of that container. So suppose when we have one bottle, water bottle, the capacity of the water bottle is 1 liter or 500 ml. So in this way we can write about the capacity. Now next one, about the temperature. Next one is temperatures. Fourth, temperature. It tells, or we can write here, a measure of or we can write about the temperature. The temperature tells us how hot or cold. Now we can write about the temperature. Temperature is the measurement of temperature means it is the measurement of it is the measurement of how hot how hot or cold an object cold an object or a body is. So in this way we can write these. Thank you, that's for today.